follow him like this, at least you are aware. The judiciary may where we stand.
And it becomes the basis for action.
Yes, that's what he is telling you. We should follow it that way. Yeah. Because at least you are aware where we stand. Next,
very relevant, very important information. All I am requesting is that
मैं इसलिए जल्दी कर रहा हूँ.
अपॉइंटमेंट की बात की है, लेकिन यहाँ पर तो एक पार्टी नहीं है, सिर्फ दो पार्टी थे.
Parties don't bother, they don't want to be district judges.
दो से अपॉइंटमेंट हमारा ये कहना है कि चलो ठीक है, हम लोग लेथार्जी मुसलमानों ने कुछ नहीं किया, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया. What about others? जो दूसरों को भी वहाँ
Parties don't want to be civil judges, they don't want to be in the IAS.
देखो मैं बात आई था कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज्जत है. 9 लोग गवर्नमेंट जॉब छोड़ के प्राइवेट सेक्टर जा रहे हैं. बहुत प्राइवेट में अच्छी है, बिजनेस कम्युनिटी ने बहुत ऑफरिंग है. तो एक बात थोड़ा सा ये भी ध्यान रखो कि सर्टन पीपल डू नॉट लाइक नाउ गवर्नमेंट जॉब. अगर प्राइवेट कंपनी अच्छा दे रही है, पीपल लव दैट.
सलमानी साहब आपने ये कहा था, but how many Muslims appeared for that?
वो तो वही शेरवानी साहब की बात ना कि basic is that we are not
It all depends upon how many appeared and everyone came out successful.
But what he wanted to say, the commission did. That is one question. The second question is, in the case of Muslim security, there are many factors which do not operate in the case of Parsis or Sikhs or Jains. They are poor. For example, if you want to appear for
Parsis are poor and Sikhs are poor.
I mean, percentage.
Why are you making them poor for nothing?
Please allow me.
Six are not poor.
Mr. Chairman, if you want to appear at the, secondly, there is a prejudice. You have to fight against both of this. For example, the Sharmani Samaka, to give coaching to all Muslim students, first of all. And then we must try somehow to get this prejudice out of their minds that हम मुसलमान हैं, हमारा नहीं होगा, तो कुछ और मुश्किल. So these factors do not operate in the case of other
Thank you, Asaf. Since now we are all here for a cup of tea, I asked them this particular question. You were selected, I guess, but he says that when we appeared, there was not a single Muslim member on the UPSC. They say that we had no such fear.
I said wrong notion.
No, that anybody will do. They say honorable man. I particularly asked them, कि कोई आपके साथ कभी नहीं. That's what both of them, young boys. And then they told me कि हम लोग खुद ही नहीं जाते. ये सोच के कौन लेगा हम कहाँ जाएंगे. अब देखिए, that you are aware, for last 5 years, the maximum IAS are coming from Bihar state. The Biharis are now, because they all came to Delhi, they all had now coaching getting, because they thought we are poor. Now they are the largest in IAS. Largest number of people are from Bihar. जिसको हम कहते हैं state है. This is called our effort.
Parliament used to be full of Bengalis.
Yes. Sometimes it used to be all Madras. They say Madras.
Once Bengal was there.
उड़ीसा से बहुत आ रहे हैं.
Once Bengal was there, but now Bengal is back.
ये चल रहा है.
Out of the majority of I want to appeal to all of you. Among the minorities, don't differentiate the minorities. I would like to say, don't differentiate on minorities. Of course, Muslims, Parsis, Sikhs, and all are minorities. Because I have received some complaints from some states. There are some state members are discriminated in the minority. So I don't want to say that who and who, but I advise all the state minorities treat all the members equal, and whatever the facility is extended to minorities, keep all of them, and so just keep in the mind. It's only a bit of suggestion from my side. I don't want to go into detail of that. Second one, what I will say, the majority has already decided to give the minority certificate by the minority state commissions. I also accept that. But in that exercise, I want to make it very clear, we are putting our minority poor people in trouble. How I want to narrate that? Because if it is given to minority commissions, the civil authorities like SIDA, DCW, you go to your minority office and get it. The poor man has to travel maybe 400 kilometers for nothing and spending his money for getting a certificate. Maybe thrice or twice. So in that exercise, I strongly feel we people are putting our poor minority community people are in trouble. I want to make it. Thank you.
Every selection board should have a minority man on the board. Now these orders by the Home Ministry we have to copy. But implementation is very poor. Now how to get this implemented? Every state government selection board, as Abhi Kanwani Sahab has said, so there are no minority members even in Public Service Commission. Every state Public Service Commission. I asked 2 or 3 chief ministers, spoke the total member 5 है, only 5 member commission होता है, उसमें minority कहाँ है, वो ये जवाब दिया मुझे। देखे तो there are only 5 members in a commission. तो वो कहते हैं बताइए अब क्या इसमें क्या कोटा डालूं? पर अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ऑल सिलेक्शन बोर्ड ये होम मिनिस्ट्री का ऑर्डर ये इलेक्शन आपने लगा दिया होम मिनिस्ट्री सर्कुलर मुझे बताया विद द एजेंडा आइटम you please keep with you so that you can get this implemented in your state. So that everywhere we should at least assert.
Yes, that is essential.
That is essential, but that depends on us. How much we have asserted on this. You take this copy and show. After every chief minister or every minister, there are many ministers who say that in their own department, now cooperative department maximum, Panchayat department, maximum posting, police department, show them this. At least by put one of us there. The next is now only to praise Mr. Qureshi, which I have done already, done earlier, do every day. This 8-point program for minorities, announced by Chief Minister, drafted by Qureshi, Chief Minister just signed on dotted line is his effort, which is a good, and I have separated this to every state. That here one state, every Chief Minister has a political reasoning, that I saw, that he is to win over, but everybody should win over like him. So if he has done good, this we have added so that you can also show to your state, like this program, we should also have this program. Now, there is one more item.
So far the suggestion is concerned
That all our meeting I am saying on this, we should exert. So next is the very important item. This is state books by the state government. Now last year, 2 years, the national textbooks by NCERT, there was a break, Allah everywhere, parliamentary committees were formed, Supreme Court case went on. Now NCERT is the body which is publishing textbook at the center. Now when this started, we called the director in our office twice. Our commission, the previous commission, had long meeting with them, and on our direction it was decided that they will delete all the portions which are derogatory to any community, though they may be factual correct in the history. So we told them that children should not get any plea to hate anybody because the history may likha. So that again then we recommended, which we have achieved, that every textbook should give a basic information on each religion. This was not earlier. So now the new textbooks are having on the 5 minority communities a small 2-page note, but on the basis of a Muslim, of a Sikh, of a Christian, of a Parsi, and they sent us that first draft, and all our members saw to it. So that is one big thing.
5 minority communities, this state.
Now our plea is that now complaints are coming that various textbooks issued by state education board or textbook board, there are such things appearing. So my plea is, please as a state minority, you have every right to call those books, examine those, call the director of the textbook board, show you the brief portion. After only one book relates to religion or history, that is social sciences. We are not interested in mathematics, science, and only social sciences books.
मैथमेटिक्स में भी जनाब,
जी
मैथमेटिक्स में भी,
जी
मैथमेटिक्स में भी।
नहीं मैम, मेन जो होता है ना वो होता है हिस्ट्री में. They give wrong portion, wrong thing, wrong.
हिस्ट्री में ज़्यादा है।
But उसके लिए please now every state commission must send us a report कि you have examined, you have not found anything because इसका report बहुत आता है. National level पे we are handling. अगर आपके पास कोई report है, you send us. Immediately we will call the NCERT director and review it. But state books जो है state commission का, वो आपको जरूर इसको monitor करना चाहिए. नहीं, now that's good. But this general advice, every state we should now go in further.
सर हमारे वहाँ सर हमने लास्ट ईयर हमारे वहाँ 9th स्टैंडर्ड में प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद को थीसिस बेस पे एक डेवलपमेंट बना तो हमने कमीशन से प्रपोज किया, वो विड्रा की गई और अभी हमारे रिकमेंडेशन में चीफ मिनिस्टर से बात करने के बाद मैं इसमें लिखा the contents of language books and history portions of social studies book shall be got clear by the state minority commissions. So we have the same quality of objectionable portions training. ये होना बहुत जरूरी है सर, हर जगह हो रहा है.
नहीं, मैं ये इसलिए कह रहा हूँ कि आप हालांकि दैट इज वेरी गुड इंस्टीट्यूशन. उनकी किताब के खिलाफ रिपोर्ट आई, we called them and they immediately agreed कि we are going to delete it. They thanked us, you have pointed out. So after all, अगर minority commissions are alert on this issue, तो स्टेटों में ये बात आपने चेक करनी है.
सर को आज समाज की भी हमने भेजा है।
हमारे वहाँ एक कमेटी बिठाई गई.
यहाँ दिल्ली से पब्लिश हुआ है।
नहीं, जो अगर हल्का हम तो immediately we call that person.
We are receiving in West Bengal, there are certain complaints by this Buddhist community.
हाँ.
And we are leaving that immediately there.
जी.
This is all right when there are minority commissions in the states. Where there are not, that is where the greatest damage is being done today. Now, it is very difficult for us to take action on that.
नहीं, we are willing.
We are willing to take
Anybody
that.
sending us a book of any state, we are willing to call that state.
This morning itself, when we were sitting in the other hall, a book was being circulated in front of us with both Mr. Sherwani and I have seen. This is comments of a very authoritative organization, page by page. It was a red book which was circulated, which you saw and I saw. This is a book which I think we should also be able to get hold of, because it is not just history books. This नहीं और है. आज सुबह जो आपके कन्वेंशन हॉल के अंदर वो जो साहब थे आपके सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन के मिनिस्टर, उनके पास एक लाल किताब है, चंद्रशेखर, उनके पास ये जो लाल किताब है, अगर वो हमारे पास दे देंगे तो वो बहुत कृपा हो गया.
वो इरफान हबीब ने और लोगों ने जो that one point out किया है.
And this also applies to states where the greatest problem of minority bashing is taking place, which is one of my own states, Gujarat.
The last item before I finish is the representation of all minorities on each state. Now all of you are aware कि ये नहीं है. आप हैरान होंगे. The Sikh outside Punjab are largest in UP. There is no Sikh member on UP. Minority commission. The Parsis are the most effective in Maharashtra, and they are not on the Maharashtra minority.
May I have a word there, please? The normal answer is कि उनकी नफरी बहुत कम है.
No.
I want to make a point here of the nafri of the Parsis.
So various states, आप ये हम तो लिख रहे हैं, but wherever there are such lacuna, please you also put your place.
होना चाहिए तो हमने अपने कमीशन
नहीं ना, वो मैंने जो कर दिया है good of you, पर लेकिन जो रह रहे हैं, you should all try and have it. Now, any other item before I take up another item.
So what is the position?
Principal Philip, our most honored chairperson. Let us speak. He has not been given recognition by Government of India in spite of our recommendation due to the reason, for your information, there are two powerful groups among Jain. They are themselves yet to decide to have it or not. In the state where they have their powerful people, they are getting it done. But national level, Government of India is willing, provided they are unitedly asked.
With the permission of the chair, I may clarify further, supplement, not clarify, that this matter came up before the Calcutta High Court. And the Calcutta High Court recognized Jains as a separate community, and as a minority, as a separate minority community. Then this matter was raised also in Rajasthan High Court, and the division bench of the Rajasthan High Court held that it is not.
They are totally stuck now.
Totally stuck. So now the position is this, that the matter has not gone. And then now the matter has not gone up to the Supreme Court.
So we can't do it.
Main things from Tamil Nadu was one was about minority status. In a discussion there was about this economic development cooperation. Can anything be done for the terms and conditions? Because it is meant for the poor, but because of the conditions for that is security guarantee. So the really poor cannot benefit.
Talking about the matching grant,
Yes.
there should be some matching grant given by the state government. But state governments, so many places they are not.
If Principal Philip, you have any suggestion, that is a separate board, but we definitely can recommend to them. Mr. Kari is the chairman of national level, and we can recommend to him if you have a good suggestion for them to take up this. We are willing.
No, sir, it is that we are talking the rights of the minorities there.
No,
The
we
minorities
are saying-
who are staying in the state should have the right share as a matching grant. Subject will come like that. बजट में जो भी शेयर है वो शेयर प्रॉपरली आना चाहिए मैचिंग ग्रांट की वजह से. Unless they get the matching grant, they are not able to get any funding from the minority corporation center.
See, most of state governments are yet to give their own share, because this is the Government of India grant and is a matching. Most maximum states are defaulted. So they have requested us also, when you hold a meeting, please tell every chairman that they should ask their state to put their share in, so that they can get Government of India grant. Like today, Karnataka Chief Minister, he wanted more, but he said, let me consider. So every state is yet to decide.
When Mr. said, you have got 1 crore rupees, Mr. Aziz, you got 1 crore, what was your?
42 lakhs.
42 lakhs, from 42 is the rest to 1 crore.
You'll get a good dinner today. You'll
And
get
so
I
what-
went to him and told him, this is intensive during, and the members are
Sir.
also during. We are not conveying anything to them, so we agreed.
anything on Christian, any problem now in the state?
Sir, in any other
Just
matter,
a minute, let us.
I think things are more settling down now, but that is silent and the conversion.
Nothing, no, rest, nothing happened,
The
nothing.
problem was more on the employees. Of course, the main problem is when we visit districts, the main problem is education facilities. Because now the government does not appoint teachers even in the schools. So when we spoke of Muslim minorities, etc., the teachers are not employed by the government. Therefore, the students will have to pay higher fees and many of them are not able to go. So this is a representation that comes from every district when we visit.
Had you any meeting with the state government on this?
We have, but we have a victim of that.
Now the last point is very important. Now I seek your full attention towards this and no more other, because 5:30 press will get in and before that we must.
Chairman sir, I see we didn't get time there. So if you don't mind, I just need 2 minutes. I'm not taking 2 minutes. So I appreciate you, what it is representing all the recognized minority communities. Now one thing, in the development corporation, other boards or other institutions which are there, I strongly feel there also minority communities, other community members should be given opportunity, which is not there. Number
The
one.
state is a finance corporation.
Any development corporation, any other institution which is connected with the minority communities, I strongly feel their also representation should be there and must be there. This is one.
For your information,
West Bengal minorities.
No, I'm not talking about. I'm just going to general. I'm talking about general. Second point is, sir, I also appreciate the concern that where actually what number of people are there and all that. I feel this is the first time in the history I say that we have National Commission for Minority where we have chairman from a Sikh community. Same way I feel in other states also, there should be rotation. The other communities also must get the opportunity to show their caliber or what you call it, what work they can do for the other communities. And third is, what amount actually being distributed. Now we had unfortunately only one case where we recommended where a person went for a loan. Now for that loan the person was asked to go back and meet the Tahsildar. Now Tahsildar has even refused to even admit that Sikhs are being treated as minority community. Now that matter we are taking separately with the commission, but at the same time what I feel that at least some amount should be ratio wise, because every community has got bigger this thing. So some ratio amounts could be fixed and okay for this for particular communities. In case the particular community does not apply for, that money should be utilized by the commission for the other communities. But till for the first 6 months at least, the money should be kept and the people should be informed. And same way actually they should be. And one more point which is very strongly I feel, the money which is being distributed is a taxpayers' money. The money which actually is being given loan to any person, that money has to be recovered. What actually I understood from our chairman, Mr. Suleiman ji, the earlier before he took over, the recovery was only 6%. Only 6%. Now, which has come to about 56%. Thanks to him and his efforts. But at the same time, you will appreciate that if this kind of information goes out to public, how the reaction will be. Why the taxpayer money actually being just distributed. These were a few points I thought I must bring to your notice. Thank you very much.
नहीं उठा पाते, मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, हमने अपनी स्टेट में इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर्स कायम किए 48 डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, उसमें 56 इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर कायम किए. उसमें गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का जितना स्कीम्स है माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर का, वो स्कीम्स वहाँ रखे. उसमें हमने एनजीओज का इसमें हेल्प किया है कि जो हमारी माइनॉरिटी इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं उनको ट्रेन किया एक बुला के और वहाँ. उसके लिए मेरा आपसे एक गुजारिश है कि आप एनसीएम की तरफ से गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के जितने भी डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं जहाँ माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम चलते हैं या नहीं भी चलते हो, जिनमें माइनॉरिटीज का शेयर हो सकता है, वो सब स्कीम्स कलेक्ट करके हम सभी स्टेट की कमीशंस को अगर जरूरी करा दें तो हम अपने नीचे तक पहुँच सकते.
इस मरतबा से हज को जो लोग जाते हैं मुस्लिम से इनकम टैक्स क्लियरेंस सर्टिफिकेट पूछते हैं. अब तक वो सिलसिला नहीं. गरीब लोग करियर में रहते हैं, उनकी गाड़ी हमारे से 100 रुपये 200 रुपये 500 रुपये सारे नया.
रवानी साहब ये कह रहे हैं हज में नए प्रोविजन किया इनकम टैक्स
उसके बाद हज कहीं ना जाए तो नहीं हो जाएगा.
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को एक उसके बारे में लिखना है. ये बहुत बड़ी ज्यादती बहुत बड़ी ज्यादती हो जाएगी. और दूसरी बात आपसे मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ सर, थोड़ा फाइनेंस इसके बारे में आप जरूर से.
ठीक है.
बहुत सीरियस मामला है. और दूसरी बात ऐसा बियर्ड का दाढ़ी का मसला आपने लिखा था सर, देखो यहाँ हमारे इसमें
वो पता है हमारे नोटिस में वाइस चेयरमैन साहब के पास
वो उसको थोड़ा रीइंस्टेट कराना है. और इसका एक्ट ये है किसी स्टेट क्या बोलते हैं मैनुअल उसका.
आज मैं So no more. This meeting is formally the agenda item is over. Before the press coming.
Last short answer. Minorities, because of their small population, cannot get elected to the elected bodies. Non-representation of minorities in important bodies like Jilla Panchayat, Gram Panchayat, etc. results in minorities getting very little share in the development schemes. of the government, because it is these bodies which select the...
नहीं वो बात जो आपकी है, हमने ऑलरेडी गवर्नर को लिख दिया है।
तो यहाँ
ये लिखा है कि जहाँ मिनार्टी इलेक्ट नहीं होती वहाँ उनको नॉमिनेट किया जाए, वो रिकमेंडेशन हमारी ऑलरेडी जा चुकी है। हाँ, may I draw your attention?
Yes, sir.
Judge साहब। All my colleagues, this is very sensitive and important. ये जरा लगातार बात में, जरा कि सब बंद कर दो सारा, please. You see, National Minority Commission is not a separate entity. It draws all our support and power from you. And all of you and we are one, because our goal is one. That is communal harmony and how to help you. We may be having different political views of ourselves, our attachment to different political parties. Or we get favor from particular, you get from particular, but irrespective of that, our goal is one, is entire. Now for last many months, our National Minority Commission, with unanimously all of my colleagues, there are press को थोड़ी देर we will invite you after 5:30 please. We on our own decided that we should get the views of the minority community on burning issues. After all, you and we are all aware of what is the main issue, which is causing anxiety, which is causing trouble, which is... What is it? That this Ayodhya issue has overpowered every other issue. He will not ask for the price of wheat or atta. He will ask, oh, kya Mayavati ka kya? Our society is so much politicalized that we are interested only to know such things. We may not get food, but we must get the political news. So this issue is lingering. Now when we started these meetings, so we met so far the highest of those who are involved through various organizations with these. Maulana Nadwi, the chairman of Personal Law, he is so far very most respectable person dealing with education, सबसे बड़ा Muslim education Lucknow में चला रहा है, and he is elected president of the Muslim Law Board, which is handling all. We went to places, we called every group of Milli Council, Jamaat-e-Islami, Jamaat-e-Ulama, this committee of Shahabuddin Twice, right? So we have met. Now we have been advocating that why you shut down. Till today, every dialogue or every message is through press. They convey through media. Maybe wrong word, good word, hard word, but not face to face. We call Bishop Hindu preacher another. Now people have not appreciated, even our own colleagues, what a daring step, we could call them and they could sit before us for 3 hours. And I am telling you today that entire meeting was recorded on tape. It is in our plan. Now what we told them, if you listen any time, have a time, you will be amazed to know what we conveyed to Badia ji, to Acharya ji, to everyone else. So when we discussed with them, so there were certain queries from them, which we have not gone to further. But we went to Secretary Market, they projected this, but So what I wanted to tell you all and my colleagues, that there is now pressure on minority commission by various intellectual groups. So what you are doing? We always say with a political person, so we don't come into it. Now, last week, again a big media coverage, media hype of the profession and all. So it has taken every moment of government, every moment of the media only on this issue and issues. People met us, so they say the court verdict, court verdict. So we all agree. So we on our own met the commission last week and decided unanimously to file a PIL in Supreme Court that United Commission feels that judiciary, why they are delaying a decision? If people now say that they want your verdict, then why you are taking years for it? You want India to again go for some more bloodshed? So we were thinking to go, but we met the senior most person, the commission went and met all of us. And their advice was, that before going to Supreme, they said this is a very good cut, and entire India will hail you. They say, but before that, you must make an attempt that you want a dialogue process between them. Now, everybody says, Khan ji, acha hai, Shankaracharya ji kiya, but they failed. Now, this is a now proposal by this National Minority Commission before you, that if we now do this process, if we request them, after we can only be facilitated. We are neither arbitrator, we have no role, we have no authority, but we are facilitated. That if somehow the varying groups agree to some sort of a sitting, and if it fails, then we take the next step. If you all agree, so we can start this method if we meet both separately again. Please, for God's sake, discuss. एक दूसरे पे सामने कुछ शर्तें लगाओ, कुछ करो. If agreement आता है, after dialogue पैलेस्टीन और इसराइल की चलती रही, इजिप्ट और इनकी चलती रही, तो why not within our own? और हर रोज हम डायलॉग करते हैं पाकिस्तान से करो, हर रोज कहते हैं डायलॉग उनसे हुर्रियत से करो, तो why don't we ourselves agree to at least have meeting? हमने तो शाहबुद्दीन साहब को कहा था कि आप लिस्ट ड्रा कर कि किसकी मीटिंग करें, तो हाँ डायलॉग करो, अजय मैं उनका लिस्ट दे दो, आप किसको करें. अब यही आपको कहते हैं. तो our proposal today is that if we agree today, all of you, we form two committees separate, and these committees will meet both varying groups separate. Both committees will meet varying groups separate. And getting in their views, both committees will discuss between themselves what to do next. And if there is some meeting ground, so then we call a joint meeting. So this is what we are now thinking, and we seek your advice, knowing the time limit, and then forming these small committees, workable, which can meet people. Like now this Kashmir issue meeting, people are so, ये क्या करने जा रहे हैं, क्या करेगा, कौन सुनेगा? But I must praise the Muslim organization. With one voice, they say, we are thankful to you, you have saved us. Because you have brought Muslims at one platform to say that Kashmir में जो हुआ गलत. We have given them this opportunity to raise their united voice. तो बिल्कुल ठीक है. कश्मीर में बहुत, मेरे पास वो, मैं आपको भेजूंगा रेगुलेशन जो पास हुआ है. You will be amazed to see with what voice they have 150 people of all organization and all topics. So ये अगर हम करें, तो this is what we all feel together as a nation. So please for
Mr. Chairman, you want to make a small comment?
I have been thinking वो मेंबर आए जो easily आकर यहाँ काम कर सके. और एक तो बड़ी क्लियर बात है, मैं आपको कहता हूँ कि sometimes we shirk to say in good words to our own. मैं कई बार मिसाल दी आपको कि सिखों का मसला सिखों नहीं बिगाड़ा। They didn't realize कि हम कुएं में जंप कर रहे हैं। And 30,000 Sikh died in this process. 30,000 Sikh youth were killed. And ultimately उनको लोगों ने कहा मूर्खों क्या करें। But now अपनी कौम को कहना मुश्किल होगा। मैं आपको सच कह रहा हूँ। हम ये कहते हैं वो हमें कहेंगे वो तुम तो सरकारी हो। हम तो एक सबसे हमारा इंफरेंटिव कम्बैक ये है, अच्छी बात कहने वक्त हमें अगला कहेगा तो सरकारी जन, तो मुझे सिखों ने यही कहा जब आप तो सरकारी हो, मैं इंस्पायर्ड दैट आई कैरी एंड आई सक्सीड। तो ये बात पहले सोच लो कि जब बात कहने जाते हैं तो उसमें रियलिटी कहनी पड़ेगी कि आप कहाँ खड़े, आज हम लोग क्या डिमांड कर रहे हैं। अगर ये बात नहीं कहते तो हम छुप के बैठे रहते। हमारी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मिनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी का इंटेलिजेंस सब कुछ लेता है मिनॉरिटी के नाम पे, जजेस बनते हैं, बैरिस्टर बनते हैं, बनने के बाद अपनी कौम से दूर भाग जाते हैं। हमें लोग कुछ सीखना कहते हैं, मुसलमान इनफैक्ट क्लास में तब आते हैं जब वो बड़ी पोस्ट पे रहते हैं, वो डरते हैं, ओ मैं तो मुसलमान हूँ, वो कहेंगे मैं तो भी वाई दिस इनफैक्ट कम्प्लेक्स। ये मेरी प्रपोजल है, अगर आप कहें तो ये कमेटी हम करके दिस इज टोटल सम टोटल कमेटी विल मीट है, चाहे कैसे मिले ये डिसाइड कैंसिल। और ये मेरा और एक जो कमेटी जो मुस्लिम को मिलेगी उसको वाइस चेयरमैन साहब वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिश्नर, और जो हिंदू को मिलेगी वो जनरल शेखना उसके कमिश्नर। सो वो जनरल साहब विल फेस द अदर फ्रंट, वाइस चेयरमैन साहब वो जैसे करें, his words are more effective than because his experience, his words are more effective। तो मेरी ये राय है कि अगर ऐसा कहें
कमेटी साहब यही लोग को ऑफ कर लो,
क्यों नहीं बताइए, कराची साहब ठीक है, जज साहब। तो वी आई लीव टू द वाइस चेयरमैन साहब, शेरवानी साहब और वाइस चेयरमैन साहब दोनों में किसी को अपना अडॉप्ट कर दें। ये शेरवानी साहब और वाइस चेयरमैन साहब और 3 मेंबर और और अबू बकर साहब दिल्ली के हैं।
हाँ, दिल्ली तो कैपिटल है, वो तो
बताइए और कुछ
कुरैशी साहब को
एक और
एक जज साहब को नहीं, ख्वाजा साहब को नहीं आप भी ज्यादा बोलते हैं, आप ज्यादा बोलते हैं, आप
जरूर यू मेक वन थिंग, आप एक यू टेक फ्रॉम अनदर कम्युनिटी, नॉट मुस्लिम, मुसलमान
नहीं पांचों
वो तो गन वाले हैं, गन वालों के साथ जाते हैं।
चलिए किसी और को ले लीजिए।
तो वही ये हमारे हैं, ये झारखंड वाले
नहीं, झारखंड वाले तो बहुत छत्तीसगढ़ वाले को
सबसे ज्यादा तो वहीं सफर किया है।
और जो कमेटी जनरल साहब, इन जनरल साहब कमेटी मिस्टर अगस्टिन, मैडम रेड्डी, ऑल 3 और इनके साथ झारखंड वाले मेंबर और एक आई थिंक यूपी के
उनको या किसी और को कन्वीनियंट हो।
जो ये कमेटी जो दूसरी है उसके जनरल साहब के साथ मिस्टर अगस्टिन, मैडम रेड्डी और झारखंड ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन 5 हो गए, एक जिसको और एक देना चाहिए। I think now this is a total scene of the formation of 2 committees which will initiate dialogue with the 2 different committees, and after that their report we can discuss and then organize a joint. जब dialogue होगी then we will inform you that this is a, and I must say that this is going to be the first big initiative in this process by all of you. कि we want somehow if this could be done. अगर वो नेक्स्ट हुआ तो जज साहब को बादल करेंगे, नहीं अगर वो अपील की बात होगी जज साहब will फिर कम फॉरवर्ड।
One will be headed by vice chairman,
another by
another
judge,
by lieutenant general secretary.
ठीक।
The vice chairman will deal with the Muslims, Chesna will deal with the Judea.
अच्छा, तो ये कदम 2 ये I must thank you. This process of our meeting, joint meeting. Now, offer from the next meeting, Advani sahab. Next meeting is
December.
हाँ, अगर आप माने तो हम दिल्ली वाले ही होस्ट करेंगे.
That will be very good. We will have the chance to come to the office.
Actually, मैं तो ये चाहता हूँ, अगर आप agree करें तो we should invite all members. Entire commission member of each state. We should invite them for a meeting in this.
I was just saying that it should be on the 18th
That
of
Kerala
December,
number-
which is the International Day of...
अगर आप agree करें तो we invite all of you along with your members.
18th December, which is the International Day of the Minorities. It should be a bigger thing.
नहीं है केरल
It should be a major seminar.
सब मेंबरों को बुलाएं. ये कहते हैं 18 दिसंबर को. Accommodation should be, there is no commission, accommodation is all in your own state.
On your.
So with 18 December it is.
18 December is not Ramzan. 18 December Ramzan तो खत्म हो जाता है.
Unless you are keeping Qaza Roza.
So, Honorable Governor, all will go together from here. And the dinner in the evening. किधर? Hotel Bangalore International dinner for all, both our local hosts. आज 1 करोड़ मिला तो ये तो Rajbhavan 6:30.
हमारे बोर्ड वगैरह बनाया नहीं क्या?
I want to make them realize that they don't understand it. They must tell them. Cut them short there.
Singh, Chairman of National Commission for Minorities, Government of India. I am thankful to you for attending this press meet where all my colleagues, the members of Vice Chairman and members of the National Commission for Minorities, chairpersons of various state minority commissions,